Hello everyone! Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. So, it's time for us to go into the arena. Last time we went through Planet Mukau, and we went through all the little areas here. And now we've arrived at the arena, the final place to go.
Gentlemen, join me in welcoming our guest of honor, your Cragmite Overlord and my new best friend, Emperor Tachyon! Let the battle begin! For our first challenge,
I should have known.
Will have to battle his way through 3 rounds of degenerate, homicidal, merciless killing machine. Are you ready? Then let's start the carnage! Our challenger comes to us from the Flurbian Galaxy-verse. His name, Mustachio Furioso!
Whose side are you on, Quark?
Stamp collecting and taking long walks on the beach with small robotic know-it-alls. When he grows up, he says he wants to be just like Captain Quark. How unexpected!
You make me sick.
Whoa, a lucky shot from Mustachio. Let's see what he does next. Congratulations, Mustachio! You defied the odds and managed not to die!
Yay!
Okay,
Oh no.
it's time to welcome our first major contender. You know him, you love him, you flee in terror at the sight of him. It's
Crushto,
Crushto!
huh? Oh, this is not gonna end well for me. Ow! Okay, I gotta pay attention.
This giant mechanical robot slash fish thingy enjoys tennis, arts and crafts, and sushi? Huh, who knew?
Sushi? For real? This is just like the twins' final boss fight from Crash to Insanity. Ow.
When I wore it to the one Halloween gala last year. Can't seem to land it. Yet, folks, this guy must be more irritated than a one-legged droid in a butt-kicking contest.
Yay!
Congratulations! You remind me of me when I was a young fighter. Only shorter and less strapping.
Quark, do you mind telling us what you're doing working for Tachyon?
Oh, just a little thing I like to call saving the universe. There I was, surrounded by Tachyon's minions, perched on the brink of certain death, staring into the icy precipice of the inevitable. I knew I had to take action. I engaged my foes, channeling days of kung fu classes and dispatching my crouching kitten style with lethal precision. But alas, these rock-hard pecs and unbridled machismo can only hold out for so long. After destroying 2,000 of them, a lucky shot rendered me unconscious. For the safety of the good citizens of Kurwan, I swore allegiance to Tachyon's army and became his confidant.
Which means you used your powers as a world-class suck-up to save your own hide.
Little column A, little column B. Here, take this. It'll explain everything. The optical relay is damaged, but maybe you can find a ship to play it on.
Great! Quit messing around and get over here. I have boils that require lancing.
Coming, Your Excellence. Pray for me.
That poor soul. Okay, so this is the arena we have for the game. I'll come back to these when I'm stronger.
This door can be opened using your newly acquired helipods. Simply fire a helipod at the loop target to try it out.
Alright, well... Okay. Gelinator. Hookshot. Helipods. Okay. Nope. Actually, you know what? That's more like it. Oh. Cool.
Completing arena challenges is an effective way to win bolts and prizes. Returning gladiators are always welcome.
Did this take me to the arena? Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's find out what Tachyon's up to.
Greetings, inferior beings of Polaris. Does your life lack a sense of purpose? Do you constantly worry about finding steady income? Do you like killing stuff? Then join the Imperial Army and aid me in my humble quest for galactic domination. Here you'll travel to new places, meet interesting people, and execute them in the name of me.
Hold the phone! Did you just say I could meet interesting people?
Why, yes, I did, celebrity hero Captain Quark.
That sounds terrific. Tell me more.
It's simple. Somewhere in this galaxy is the filthy Lombax secret responsible for the Cragmite defeat. As an official Tachyon trooper, your job will be to ravage every planet until it is found. Leave no stone unturned, no rebel spared. Exterminate anyone who stands in your way. All for a tidy salary and competitive benefits package.
Wow, all that and travel too?
Indeed. Take the Nundak asteroid ring, for example. Our spies have learned that the secret may be hidden here on this remote moon base. If you sign up by tonight, you can join in on the raid.
Emperor Tachyon is an equal opportunity oppressor.
you think this Lombax secret could be the weapon used to vaporize the Cragmites?
Whatever it is, we need to get to it before Tachyon does.
Sounds serious. The Nundak asteroid ring, hidden in a remote part of the Cerulean sector, is a breeding ground for deadly Leviathans. Famed explorer Max Apogee is rumored to have built a heavily armored space fortress among these asteroids. Some say he must possess the key to the lost Lombax secret, as no one would set up residence in a Nundak asteroid ring unless he was protecting something immeasurably precious. Let's go then. Yeah, I can see the Leviathan.
This must be the transport to the station, but how do we get the launch code?
We ought to warn you that the owner of that there station ain't accustomed to visitors.
And why should we trust you? You ejected us into space!
Apologies, my friend. Tell you what, allow us to make it up to you. Some space pirates from Ardolis have offered us bolts for Leviathan souls. Why, if you were to go and fetch some for us, we would happily give you the launch code.
Lombax has a death wish! Bark!
Well, it's not like we have any other options. So we might as well do it.
Alright, Chief. What can...
Alright, let's use our weapons wisely. Plenty of area to explore here. Ow. And I completely missed. Haha! Boop! That's how you do it. Looks like we got ourselves a lot of exploring to do.
Welcome.
Did we fully upgrade the,
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
Yeah, we did. We might as well. I'm gonna save up. I really should honestly save up. Whee! Okay, so we're heading down there. Where are we? Where the heck are we at? Oh, we're up here. We can teleport to a lot of places from here. Like over here. Whoa!
Teleporter cannons always make my sprockets tingle.
That's an interesting way to put it. Wow, you really do. Ow! I was gonna say you really do suck at aiming, but never mind. Alright, not much here. Let's keep going. Boing. Crap! Oh my god, I was saved. I really gotta be careful. One wrong move and I'm dead. Wow, that's quite a view. Heck yeah. Alright, back down and here we go. I want to visit each and every one of these.
That was fun. Can we do it again?
I love you, Clank. Ah, not you. No, 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 not you. Nope. Adios. Haha. I think it's better if I use the combustor for this one.
We have all the souls we need, Ratchet. We should get back to the smuggler.
We should, but it never hurts to look for more. Quite a couple more over here. I think we've been to Zeta. Delta. Whee! I like doing that, that's fun.
Welcome to the GrummelNet weapon shop. Which weapon do you want to upgrade?
I might as well.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Sorry, I cannot help it.
I know you can't. I know it's fun.
Leaks, bombs, no whip.
I thought for sure that was a new armor vendor. Alley-oop.
We got just a puzzle gas here. Intoxicating, lethal, and entertaining.
Alright, come on, you. Wow, my cursor's going nuts. Alright.
Leaks, bombs, no in stock. 100% effect.
Welcome to the GrummelNet weapon shop.
I always think he's gonna say 100% legal. I'm gonna be like, are you sure about that?
What do we look like? A bunch of chumps?
Yeah, I should really save up on Raritanium.
Come back anytime, Slick. We'll shoot the breeze.
Indeed we shall. so close to being upgraded. Did I just...
Discovered another piece
Oh.
of the Gadgetron Hollow plan.
Awesome!
All right, Chief.
Anywhere else I haven't gone? Epsilon. Okay, that stuff doesn't hurt. I was worried it would. Oh, I see. How do I get up there? Oh wait, is there like... No, there's not some opening for me to get up there. How the... Wait. Aha! Alright, where are you at? There you are. Hell yeah. I'm loving this. Super duper effective. We should probably keep the Gelaneer stuff around. Alright, one more planet. Or one more little platform. If we're going this way... We need to aim right. Meow. And then Gamma. Here we go. I almost walked right off. Aha! I am effective. Yeah!
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the fusion bomb. Each bomb now contains 4 mini-bombs that home in on enemies.
Cool. Tornado launcher, huh? That did some damage. Oh, it does consistent damage. Hmm. Ha! You missed. This is what you call cracking the whip. Now please die. Yay! Now I don't know if that's all the Leviathans, but I think it should be. I mean, we've been everywhere. So let's head on back to the smuggler. Which one is he? Not that one. That one.
All right, Chief. What can we do you for? Done and done. Done and done. Done and done.
I guess I should just... I don't know. I guess I just feel like upgrading it whenever I can.
Yeah, it used to belong to an explorer named Max Apogee. Nobody's seen him in ages. Rumor is it's been taken over by 2 fierce warbots. Bloodthirsty warriors from the days of the Great War. Some say it's the weapon that swallowed the entire Cragmite planet with a single shot. A vaporization ray cooked up by the Lombaxes when the Great War had reached a stalemate. Of course, nobody really knows for sure. Oh, them Lombaxes knew how to keep a secret, which is something a person in my business can appreciate. The Cragmites were the biggest threat the universe had ever seen. Vile, murderous, dim-witted creatures who moved from galaxy to galaxy, using and discarding planets after depleting all their natural resources. If you ask me, the galaxy owes the Lombaxes a debt of gratitude. If only they could have taken Tachyon with them when they left. Whatever weapon your race used to defeat the Cragmites is somewhere here, in Polaris. And Tachyon wants it bad. If he found out there was a Lombax left in the universe, well, that could be enough to make old Percival nervous. He wouldn't want history repeating itself on him, you know what I mean? Who, this little guy? Oh yeah, I won him in a game of Blargine roulette against Captain Slag. Almost cost me my one good eye. Old Percival had the Hall of Knowledge closed down to prevent folks from learning that piece of history. But from what I've been told, everything from this here asteroid to the furthest reaches of Praxis 12 once fell under the tyrannical rule of them Cragmites. Well, that is, until the Lombaxes led a revolt against them, freeing the galaxy.
No wonder he hates us so much.
Well, thank you kindly, friend. Transport vessels primed and ready. You all take care now. Pleasure doing business with you. What are you...
Oh. I think I got all the Leviathan souls. Are there any skill points here for that? Well, before we continue any further, I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. Thank you all for watching this episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.